Here we are at a new Jimmy wheel install on a very big gate, not dissimilar to other gates that I've seen or installed Jimmy wheels on. A gate with another bit of gate welding on it. Awesome. Big gate. Happy to say that I didn't install this one. The owners have installed this themselves and they've done an awesome job. So let's just go through a couple of things that they've done well. We've got that axle basically pointing towards the pivot point. We've got our upright brackets onto the gate. They've cut the ends off so that we've got the arm coming out parallel. We're in the open position at the moment. We have our latch there, and we've got our lever or our paddle limit switch sitting in the horizontal position because they found that worked best for them. We'll show how that matches up with the stopper in a moment. Down here, they're using the T-post limit switch, just going to adjust that a little bit so that it hits when it's completely open. Now, as I said before, that's an optional thing. Works well for these guys because of where they've got the horizontal limit switch. If you install a horizontal limit switch, more vertical with a bracket that's provided or one that you can make yourself, then you can make it work with in the open position. But each to their own, and what works for you may not work for others and so forth. So we're in the open position, going to press our green button and shut the gate as our Jimmy wheel pushes. And please remember, Jimmy wheel is designed to go up and down with the aid of that. Hope that made sense. An ingenious way to get the limit switch to work. So we've just got a bit of gal flat sheet metal there, hits that limit switch and perfectly. We haven't got the pin in at the moment or the lock coming out of the bracket, but as you can see, this is a metal gate coming onto a round post with, there is an angle with that panel fence coming off, so they've had to do a little bit of work to make it work for them, but they've done an awesome job and it works beautifully.